Hi, as you all know, we have uh, three categories of subjects in JCJ, that is civil, criminal, and state law. So, first, we are going to target criminal, and we have six in this: CRPC, TVA, evidence, IPC, juvenile, NI, etc. So, likewise, in civil, we have this, and in state laws, all this. It is important to Gambit which one to target first and what is its weightage in the subject and how to finish the subjects in a simplified manner. That's what the analysis intention is. I'll let you know the scenario and the situation behind this course. I'm sure you will be amazed with analysis and you will find a lot of insight as to how to proceed with the JCJ prep. So let's get started. So first we need to know the weightage. So how to calculate each subject's weightage in question paper. So to know that, just add sum. You'll get the sum, okay, and then divided by sum and convert this into percentage. Then you will know CRPC is actually 15% of the JCJ exam. Likewise, TVA is 1% and 7% evidence, and you can read out all these things. Now decide time frame. Okay, currently we have 60 days from the notification, so let's take that 60 days. If you're planning for a long term, maybe 6 months or 1 year, you can mention that days. For now I'm going with a 60 days calculation, so 60 days. Okay, now we need to calculate days. Okay, like how many days from 60 days we need to spend on a given subject, CRPC, DVC, or evidence. To know this, this is 8.9 days and this is 0.7 days and nearly 1 day. This is 4 days, this is 7 days. And if you convert into hours, to be very precise, and this is going to give a lot of insight, like what is your availability if you're a working professional, or if you are a homemaker and busy with the family life, or you're a business person, or whatever your condition is. These hours of schedule is most important. I'll let you know. So this into 24 hours. So I'm rounding off these numbers so that we'll have a clear picture, like how many days and how many hours. Okay, so 9 days CRPC, 1 day, that is 17 hours. You need to spend 215 hours. For example, 17 hours, it doesn't mean that you need to spend 17 hours on practice, or you need to read and practice and all those stuff. The 17 hours is the upper bound limit that you have to categorize for DVC. That is the intention. So in 17 hours, if you're able to finish in 1 hour DVC, that's fine. That's not possible at all. If you want to finish that in 8 hours in 2 to 3 4 sessions, that's fine. And then you can utilize these timings. You can adjust these timings to spend in other subject or something. The 17 hours is the upper limit. So beyond the 17 hours, you're not supposed to do anything on the DVA. You should move on to cover at least the next thing. But you need to complete at least one subject fully irrespective of 17 hours is what my plan is. I might have told already the reason behind it. So for example, if we take 45 days course, so see, the numbers will change drastically. We have previously 17 hours, now it is reduced to 13 hours. So the more time you wasted, and your pressure will increase of reading, the spread of this will increase. So for example, if you take a long time, for example say 180 days, 6 months, so you have 2 days for DVC and 52 hours, the upper limit you can utilize from 52 hours. That's the actually the criteria, but the government of Telangana and any other government, they will not give more than 60 days at max, 65 days at max. So we can't change that scenario, but with this analysis we at least know what to target and what not to target. I have a clear picture what to target and what not to target. Hopefully I think this analysis might be helpful to you guys. Thank you very much, Team Renate.